lot of you that signed up for Walmart Spark recently have encountered either a waitlist prompt or an error when trying to finish your application to get started delivering for Spark. Let's go through both of these problems and I'll give you some options for steps that you can take to resolve the issues. First off, for the waitlist, instead of the website allowing you to progress to the next step in the application process after entering in your phone number and verifying your phone number, it'll show you that your zone is full and to come back later. This is caused by signing up in an area that has too many drivers, such as a downtown location. There isn't very much that you can do in this case, but you can still call support and make sure that your zone is actually full and that you're not getting this in error. The number for support is 855-743-0457, and then you'll just press option 1 for application assistance. The support agent will need either your phone number that you use to sign up or the email that you use to sign up for Walmart Spark, so that way they can locate your account and give you more information. If your zone is full, you have two options. The first is you can wait until it's your turn on the wait list to get accepted, or you can delete your application and then restart in a new zone that's hopefully less crowded and doesn't have a wait list. One thing to note is that Spark driver support can no longer change the zone that you applied in, so you can't call and have them change you to a zone that has less of a wait list, so that way you can get accepted faster. There is a second type of application error that was brought to my attention over the past week, and I just wanted to touch on it in case any of you are in the same spot and you're wondering what to do. So this error will pop up after you enter in your information, such as your name, your email address, all of that beginning application stuff. And then once you pass this screen, you'll be prompted to enter in your social security number, your date of birth, your driver's license number, all of these things. After you enter in all of this information into the Drive for Spark application website, it'll tell you that your personal information can be verified. If this has happened to you, you will need to call support at 855-743-0457 and then press option 1 for application assistance. The support agent can help you figure out what's going on or help you delete your account if that's necessary or if you choose to do so. If the agent isn't helpful, I would just recommend calling back and trying to get a different support agent because sometimes it's hit or miss with the support agents that you get. If you do decide to delete your account, you can restart the application process, make a new account, and then sign up in an area that potentially doesn't have a wait list. A few things to know about signing up. I had somebody recently tell me that they signed up in the metro area of a city and then signed up 2 more times in the same metro area. Don't do this. First off, you're not going to get accepted quickly in a metro area unless there's a high turnover for drivers. Second, you shouldn't be signing up for multiple accounts using the same social security number or driver's license or any of that information. This is going to flag you in the Walmart Spark system and cause you to run into this exact problem where you can't get your identity verified. If you've previously signed up for Walmart Spark and you've gotten on a wait list and then signed up again in a different area with a different email address and a different phone number, such as a Google Voice phone number, but still use the same date of birth and social security number, you're going to get this error. And you're going to make it so both of your accounts get stuck and they both experience this error. So really avoid doing that. This was just a quick video to help all of you get in touch with somebody at application support that can help you get started driving for Spark. I know that DDI asks you to email them, they don't answer their phone, and they don't really answer too frequently, and they're not really the people that you should be talking to about applications anyways. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.